Hey Lawn Dogs, it's Floyd with UFO, man. How you doing? Hey, we got some snow last night, so I'm out and not plowing, unfortunately, but we got some properties that need salted. So we're gonna take care of that, and you're gonna watch that footage right after YouTube plays my new intro. Check it out, comment, let me know what you think of my new intro. All right, YouTube, play my intro.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
Hey Lawn Dogs, that's me, how I am salting 2020, 2021. Plow walking. It was all good. Anyway.